This lecture is from the Educational Psychology course by Dr. Bev Knox. It is titled, Qualities of a Good Teacher. Becoming an Excellent Teacher with Purpose. According to the American College of Education, understanding what makes a good teacher goes beyond listing traits. It involves recognizing how communication, subject matter expertise, adaptability, and relationship building work together to support positive learning environments. Identifying good teacher attributes can help inform teaching practices and support student success across a variety of educational settings. Let us review what defines a great teacher today. According to National University, great teachers pair strong human qualities, empathy, patience, respect, with high-impact instructional skills, engagement, adaptability, creativity, to meet diverse learners' needs. Adaptability and lifelong learning are essential as student populations, technology, and learning science continue to evolve. Teaching success depends on both soft skills, communication, collaboration, leadership, emotional intelligence, and hard skills, classroom management, tech fluency, curriculum mastery, credentials. A strong foundation, degree plus credential plus ongoing professional development, supports long-term effectiveness, confidence, and career mobility in education. Here are the top 15 qualities of a good teacher, published in an article by teachersoftomorrow.org. Outstanding teachers have certain qualities that make them rise above the rest of their students' lives. Such teachers have a way of remaining in our memories no matter how far removed from our school years. Studies from the Economic Policy Institute show that good teachers contribute more to student achievement than learning facilities and school leadership. Here are our top qualities that make a good teacher. 1. Great communicators. When you possess excellent communication skills, you will know how to teach your subject in a learner-friendly and engaging way. This will, in turn, improve their understanding and achievement as it will bring you closer to them and help them present any concerns they may have regarding any learned content. For instance, a finance class will be easier to understand if the teacher uses everyday examples with which the students are familiar. 2. Experts in their field. Your students will be motivated to learn if you are an expert in your field. If you love your teaching area, you will show that expertise in the classroom. Once you have mastered the content in your subject area, you can use different angles to explain the subject matter, hence be very resourceful when teaching. For instance, a math teacher can use the rows and columns in the class to enhance understanding of matrices. 3. Collaboration. Collaboration in teaching creates a growth-based learning environment that increases student learning processes. You should work closely with other teachers and your students if you aim for great results. Collaborating with other teachers helps you learn from each other, allowing you to brainstorm new ideas. This is significant in improving learner outcomes. A good teacher is also interested in learning from parents about their students. This equips you with an understanding of how to help your students better. Empathy. Empathy is how you understand your learners' emotional, social, and intellectual situations. A good teacher can respond empathetically to a learner's admirable and ugly emotions without losing focus on student learning. For instance, if your best student failed a test, your first instinct might be to reprimand them and for an explanation for their poor performance. On the other hand, consider putting yourself in their situation, imagine how they are feeling and empathize with them. Seek to understand how they feel about the dismal performance, what they think they did wrong, and then suggest ways to improve the result. Assure them that they have a chance to turn things around. When your learners feel physically, mentally, and emotionally safe, they will engage better in your subject as they feel loved and understood. You can grow your empathetic touch by reading books on such, taking courses on empathy, and attending seminars that build on this. 5. Loving challenges. A great teacher loves challenges. A classroom environment is full of varied challenges. Therefore, embracing them is a sure way to manage them. Once you love your challenges, you will teach your learners more effectively. This is because a teacher who loves challenges will grow to challenge students. Students love challenges, provided they are presented in a kind spirit. You can draw your students to love challenges by asking thought-provoking questions that get learners to think about sequencing and predictions. Challenging them will push them to work harder, improve, and achieve beyond their imagination. Creativity. Although not all subject areas promote creativity, they can all be taught creatively. For instance, a biology teacher teaching about different kinds of plants would take students to the natural habitat to exploit the topic practically. Also, a literature teacher would more creatively use film to enhance the mental correlation of a play the learners are reading as a literary text. A science teacher would use real solutions more creatively when teaching learners to test for bases and acids. Learners always appreciate the extra mile. When you creatively motivate your learners, they are motivated to do this in education and their lives after school. 7. Constant growth. Teachers need a growth mindset that prepares them for the classroom environment. Continuous learning will equip you with invaluable knowledge to progressively inspire your students. The growth mindset is essential because it will enable you to collaborate with your learners with the understanding that they can learn it to a higher level. A view that continuous growth is essential will create a love of learning and resilience in just one area. It empowers your learners to believe they can develop their abilities with brains and talents as starting points. The need for growth will motivate you to focus on creativity and intelligence, the two factors that result in success in both your academic and professional lives. Patience. When managing learners, your patience is constantly tested. You will also deal with learners, parents, and colleagues with differing perspectives, backgrounds, and characters. This requires patience. For instance, with your learners and their parents, you must be patient in repeatedly dealing with the same questions and issues. Also, some of your learners will have difficulties understanding various concepts. It's essential that you keep going but should continuously try out new ways of helping them succeed. 9. Adaptability. Your environment as a teacher is constantly evolving. This demands that you continually adapt to the constant changes and adjust your teaching methods to suit the age and intellect of your learners. Also, with the continuously changing educational frameworks, being able to adopt those changes makes you a good teacher. Adaptability is also one of the essential skills that you will require if you are educating learners of varying grade levels or those with different learning styles. Many educators imply respect, but few understand how to use it in the classroom. As a good teacher, you must be mindful of any imbalance in respect and ensure that your students feel respected and heard. 11. Self-awareness. Self-awareness allows teachers to recognize how their emotions, habits, and communication styles impact student learning. Teachers who are attuned to their strengths and weaknesses are more likely to reflect, grow, and build stronger relationships with students. For instance, a teacher who realizes they tend to rush through instructions might slow down and check for understanding more frequently, especially when students seem disengaged. According to a 2024 report by the Collaborative for Academic, Social, and Emotional Learning, classrooms led by self-aware teachers saw 23% higher student engagement rates, largely due to improved emotional climate and responsiveness. 12. Technological fluency. In today's classrooms, technological fluency is no longer optional, it's foundational. Teachers must know how to integrate tools like learning management systems, AI-based lesson planning, and digital assessment platforms to enhance instruction and meet students where they are. A 2023 survey from Education Week found that 83% of school administrators rated technology proficiency as one of the top 3 skills they look for when hiring new teachers, reflecting its growing importance in modern education. Humor, when used appropriately, can transform the classroom into a more relaxed, open, and engaging space. A teacher who incorporates light-hearted analogies or playful comments during lessons can ease student anxiety and make difficult content feel more accessible. Research from the University of Kansas shows that students in classes where teachers used humor regularly were 25% more likely to report feeling motivated and connected to the subject matter, especially in middle and high school settings. 14. High expectations. Great teachers set the bar high and believe every student can reach it, with the right guidance and encouragement. When educators consistently communicate high expectations, students tend to rise to meet them. The Education Trust found that students in classrooms with high expectation cultures made up to 2 years of academic progress over the same period compared to peers in classrooms with lower expectations, highlighting the power of belief paired with support. And 15. Cultural responsiveness. Cultural responsiveness involves recognizing, respecting, and incorporating students' diverse backgrounds into teaching. This fosters a sense of belonging and helps students see themselves reflected in the curriculum. For example, a high school literature teacher who includes novels by authors of various ethnicities, genders, and lived experiences not only broadens students' perspectives but also validates their identities. A 2022 report from the National Education Association noted that students in culturally responsive classrooms were 32% more likely to feel connected to school and demonstrated stronger academic performance and social-emotional skills.